Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this platinum white CR-V SR. Now, as standard on the SRs, you do get the LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You also get the 2-litre self-charging hybrid full petrol engine as well. You then also get these brilliant 18-inch emerald alloys as well, and we'll go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern of the actual alloy itself. But walking around to the rear, you'll notice that this is a 2020 generation. You do also get 4 rear parking sensors, and you do also have a reversing camera just here. In the boot of the car you get plenty of room. You can fit almost anything in here, and then both seats do fold flat with the boot floor, so you do get the 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and you can just use the lever here which will fold them down automatically like so. Moving around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, you do have the full flat folding seats like so. All you need to do is just lift the seats up and it will go straight back into place. You have the 2 seat positions. You've got the upright position that it is in now, as you can see, and you do have the more reclined position, which does give the rear passengers a more of a comfy drive. You've then got ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom as well. As you noticed, it has had the red leather interior fitted. You've got full electric windows all round and keyless entry, keyless start. The previous owner has also had the interior trims wrapped in this brilliant carbon fibre. You've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold, your eCVT gearbox and your sports, Econ and EV. You've got dual climate control in the front and then your 7-inch display in the middle. This display does come with your satellite navigation, all of your various audio sources just here, and then last but not least your Bluetooth hands-free. And while we are here, I will quickly show you how clear the rear camera actually is on this display. Moving over to the steering wheel now, as you can see, we've got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant and your Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer up top. We've then got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right, along with your automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, this car has only done 20,255 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CR-V, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.